What's up, my three viewers? We're back again with another one, a third one in the same day. Let's freaking go. Alright, jumping right into it. We have this first trade here. I took it because of nothing other than the fact that I saw we were returning to a downtrend. We were just at a new high, uh, very new recent high, and I was like, it's going down, it's gonna go down, let's freaking go. Because every time it reaches this new high point, it's been going down. Really wasn't a good reason to enter trade, but I did it anyways, and as you can see, we're immediately not in profit. I literally was entering this trade. I was very impatient. I immediately was out of profit as soon as I entered it. I entered it at probably the worst possible position here, and I'm already out of. I already lost 3.5 points. I was looking back at the chart there just to see where I should um, put my entry and stop loss and stuff with all that. And while I was doing that, I got taken out of the trade. Anyways, right into the next trade. Looking here, I took another sell trade. Who would have guessed it? We're going down. I think this one might actually go good. I can't really remember. But anyways, it's a decent trade. You know, we came up, made a low, came up, lower high. It's going to go down again, maybe, possibly. I don't really freaking know. But yeah, we are in profit on this one, which is good. I'm just sitting here watching the indexes, making sure that they're going down as well, which it is. The Nasdaq went from 110, now it's down at 102, and I'm hoping for it to either break past this little area of consolidation. You can see me waving my little pointer around, thinking to myself, yep, this area of consolidation. I wanted to punch through that. I want to see it just boom right through it, and it's really not doing that. So I'm trying to look. I'm looking to get out of the trade. Maybe it's kind of like bouncing around. I'm probably gonna put my finger on the flat button in just a second. Um, I did this was this morning, and I still can't even really remember what I was doing, and I kind of ran out of energy from all this video. But anyways, yeah, it's coming up a little bit. Whatever, don't care. Stone Cold Trader, we holding on to it. We're 2 points in profit, not enough. I want to see 375, or I'm going home. So we're struggling to get through this area consolidation, but that's okay because that's to be expected. What we don't want to see is it coming back up around that 4586 area. We don't want to see it come up to that and break through that again. We want to see it come up to that and then not be able to break through it and come back down. If anything, I really don't want to see it come up to it at all. But it's actually going to continue going down here, it looks like. So we might just be able to scrape by with some profit. I'm pretty sure we do scrape by with some profit here. But we actually have a lot to go through. Sorry, that was freaking disgusting. Anyways, yeah, we actually have a lot to go through because I overtraded today as well. Even though I literally just got done with my video saying not to overtrade, but I recorded that, after I traded today, so, you can't call me a hypocrite. Anyways, yeah, overtraded again. Who would have guessed it? But it doesn't really matter because at the end of the day, I came out profitable, as you see in the title, and I don't really care. Anyways, yeah, it's coming up. We jumped into another trade. We got a little bit back on that. We went from we were like 375 in the negative, made 2 points. We're at 175 in the negative. Anyways, take another buy trade. My first buy trade, actually, I never take buy trades. I only take sell trades. But for some reason, I was just feeling like a buy trade. I took a buy trade, even though we were already past a lot of the move, because I just saw it break past this recent high. And I was like, boom, we're going for another high. So I took a buy trade. It actually worked out. I cut my profit short, though, because I wasn't really. I thought that it might turn around here, which I think it might actually do. But we got profit. That's what matters. We're back to break even on the day, which is exactly what I was talking about in my loss video, the one where I lost 6 points. That's what I was talking about. Just get back to break even, reset on the day, and go from there. And I do reset. I do feel a lot better after I'm break even, but I will say I still overtrade, and I don't really know what I was doing. Really wasn't just a good idea. I should have just not overtraded. Just held my trades longer, stuck to the plan. Hold your trades and stick to the plan. I say it, said it before, I'm gonna say it again. Hold your trades, stick to the plan. You will be profitable as long as you're smart. Or well, yeah, okay, cool. Anyways, got some profit on that. We're at 175 profit on the day, which is good. But there's a lot more trades where that came from, as you can see, because we're only halfway through the video. It's not good. Basically, I took a trade at the high here, thinking that we were finally going to reverse. Like my first trade I took, I thought we were going to reverse and go to a big downward, but we didn't really go to that much of a downward, kind of like a small downward. So I'm thinking here's the big downward. I'm finally going to catch it. What I should do here is just go ahead and get out of the trade because it's not going the way I want. I wanted to just shoot downwards from here like it has every other time, but it didn't, so I should have been looking to just go ahead and get out because it's not doing what I want. But I will say it is making lower highs each time up until this candle right here, I believe, which is where it finally does something that's not go down like I want. Maybe I can't really remember actually, so maybe this is a good trade. I don't really remember, but I'm pretty sure I would have just gone ahead and got out of this trade as opposed to couple hour ago me who did not want to get out of this trade. I'm just going to hold it. But it is looking pretty good now. It did come back. It's going, it's going, it's going, it's gone, it's gone, it's gone. But I'm pretty sure it sucks back, possibly. But yeah, I'm holding my finger on the flat button. I'm ready to get out of this. Just take what I can. And I'm out. 375, not bad. And as soon as I got out, look at that. Turned around. Intuition right there. Can't exactly teach it, but I can help you get it faster. Um, I got out immediately. It turned around. If you look at the order flow chart on the right here, it looks like we got kind of a buildup of sell orders, but the market continues to go up because no one cares. And it looks like the buy orders are actually starting to take over here. But anyways, it's going up past where I was. Glad I got out of it. But I'm in another trade right now, as you can see, because like I said before, another thing I said, told myself not to do, because it's bad, was take a trade right where I exited. Not take a trade on the same move, but I took a trade on the same move, and look where it got me. It got me negative, but it's okay because I just took like a micro trade. I don't even know if that showed up on the thing, but like I got 0.25 on the day still, which is okay. It's gonna continue to go up. I'm taking another buy trade here. It's green. We're making green. It's okay. I think right about this point is where I'm thinking we're going to go up to 600 all the way. So I'm like, okay, we're just going to hit 600. So I'm just going to buy it and we're going to hold it until 600. But as you'll see in a second here, it struggles really hard at this 5 level, which is to be expected. It usually struggles around like the 5s, 10s, 750s, all that. But it breaks through it, gets up to 96, and then right around here, I believe, yeah, it turns around, and I'm feeling a little antsy, so I'm looking to get out of the trade because I'm getting scared. But Stone Cold Trader, I'm staying in it a little longer. And any second now, I should be doing something that is not just sitting here staring at it. I should be clicking that flat button any second now. Any second now, me. Come on. Come on, please, 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 please. My profit, my profit. Yeah, okay, as you can see now we're in the negative because I decided not to get out of that trade like an idiot. And so, yeah, okay, there we go. Now I just got out of it for 0.25. And now I'm finally going back to my old and trusty sell trade. Looking for it to go down. And I'm moving my stop loss right above that little bit back on the left there, that little high before our new high here. Using that as a point of resistance, so if the price comes up to that, hopefully it'll bounce before it gets to my stop loss. And we're in profit. We're ticking in profit. It's starting to pick up momentum. You can see it came a tick past my profit, a tick past my profit, and then boom, all of a sudden it was a bunch past my profit. But I got out of that trade early, right before it ran, like an idiot. Absolute idiot. I could have held it and I would have been way in profit now, as you can see. But instead I let it go for only a couple of ticks, and then it ran a little bit, and then I got back in it, and now I'm back in it again, a little lower down, missing most of the move. But we're about like a point or so in profit right now, or 2.5 points in profit, which is not bad at all. I will take that over a loss any day. Doing the same thing again. Again, look at this. I could have held my first sell trade the whole way down, but because the nerves got to me, I just kept selling, or I kept letting go of my position every time, and then buying it back, or not buying it back, but selling again. So I could have just held the one contract the whole way, but instead I took multiple trades for absolutely no reason other than the fact that I'm an idiot. But at the end of the day, we are making it out with profit, and that's okay. And it looks really good if you look at the description and see how many wins to losses we had, but the loss was much greater than most of my wins. So at the end of the day, I made profit, and that's what matters. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.